Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
What do you want, boy? Arrow.
Shoot. Here we go. We're going to shoot it, okay? Okay. Put your hand up here. There you go. Right there. Nope. And then grab it up here. Shoot it.
Arrow.
What did you say? Bow.
Bow.
So we can't quite get it to stick yet.
That's okay. That's super awesome that you want to shoot, boy.
You hear him say, yes.
Shoot again?
Shoot again. Yep.
Yes. Pull it back.
Wait. Wait for Daddy. Let's see. Wait for Papa. Okay. Yes.
Awesome. Yes.
Come here. One more time. Okay, come on. Come here. He like totally does it himself.
I love it. It looks like he does, but he definitely doesn't look at the target.
No, but
Well, he's a little young.
Ellie barely does.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's so cool.
Let go. Oops. Oh. Let's see, one more time. Let's see.
That's so cute.
Let it go. Yes!
Oh, good job! It's stuck, baby! Good job!
Yes!
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 Yes! Good job, baby! That's awesome.